analyzer. This is what we call the SE. This is advanced technology where we nakikita namin yung mga skin condition, yung mga skin concern ni client. At dito kami nagbibigay ng best treatment sa kanila. Using this skin analyzer, what we call this SE. Let's proceed inside. Here in Bio Essence Gateway Branch, we have 7 treatment beds and 8 beds, including our couples room. Ito yung mga room namin, sir, family. Yeah, this is our single room. This bed is a thermal bed. Thermal bed siya, nagpo-produce siya ng heat with controlled heat. It is also a multifunction bed. The client, pwede siya dito, facial massage. Kapag facial po, this is the setup. Kapag naman magpapamassage si client, yan. Meron siyang ganito. Tatanggalin lang namin siya. So the client is very comfortable. Hindi na siya lilipat sa ibang room para magpamassage together with the facial kasi yung isang bed namin is can accommodate facial and massage. Nai-incline din siya kapag gusto nila magpa-foot reflex. Then as you can see, our room is very spacious for the comfortability of our client. Our room, this is where our doctors conduct a free consultation about the medical aesthetic procedure. Yan. This is our thermowave machine. Ito yung bida ngayong araw na ito. Pasok na, sir. Pasok po kayo. Yeah. This is a thermowave machine. Ito yung ilo-launch natin today. By the way, this thermowave machine will be Sir Ma'am Jerns, our training manager, will be having a short discussion regarding the features, advantage, and benefits of this machine later. So, to give you a short description of this thermowave machine, para mabigyan na kayo ng idea how this machine is really amazing to our skin. Itong thermowave po is have a microwave energy that can penetrate deeply to our skin and target the collagen para maging firmer, tighter ang skin natin. Actually, meron din siyang fat reduction para yung mga mag-contour yung face natin, ma-loss yung fats, pwede rin siya sa body. Any question po? Wala naman. Yan, dito po kinakonduct ni Dr. yung mga free consultation of medical procedure. Ganito talaga, maraming nagsasabi. Automatic na toilet po. And then, yes, we have gusto niya makita yung couples room. This is our couples room. Same bed naman siya, all our bed is thermal bed. It produced heat, controlled heat naman siya. Then, to give more relaxation to our client. Couple siya.
Thank you.
Church.